FitLabPGH back with a September lifestyle hack. Today's hack is don't be afraid to throw away shoes when they hurt you to run in. Some people don't want to throw out shoes because they're their favorite pair of shoes. Sometimes you forget how much mileage a pair of shoes has on it. And I've noticed the last 2 weeks or so, periodically I've had some knee pain and my hamstring has bothered me a little bit after running in the park with the dogs. And then I realized it was happening every time that I was wearing this pair of Altra Lone Peak shoes. When I went back and looked, I realized these shoes were fairly old and they'd had a lot of tough walking and a lot of tough hiking on terrain that really wore them more than they would if I was just doing a nice run on rails to trails. So what I did is I experimented, and for about a week I didn't wear them, and lo and behold, my knee pain and my hamstring pain went away. So I've concluded that these Lone Peaks are no more. Fortunately, to replace them, I've got a new pair of shoes. So we'll talk in the next video about how you should rotate shoes, whether you run, walk, or hike.